So basically, what's the equation for this line? Okay. Now, I've got a section on the rules for mathing where I talk about graphing, and I think I've got some stuff here like on, y equals mx plus b form, where m is the slope, which is the rise of a run, b is the y-intercept, and all that. And that's useful here. If you're really comfortable with that, you can think in those terms, and that's fine. There's another really easy way to solve this problem, which is that if we know a line, if we've got a line, and we know some of the points on the line, even one of the points on the line, and we know, in fact, we know two of the points on the line. One of the points on the line is 6, 9, right? And let me make it real clear. That 6, that's an x value. And that 9 is the y value, right? Which makes sense at this point right here, this point C. That is the point 6, 9, where the x value is 6 on the x-axis. That's 6, okay. And then the y value is 9. Does that make sense where that point comes from, 6, 9?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, and that's just, it's called an ordered pair. The first number in an ordered pair is the x value. The second number is the y value. So 6, 9, when x is 6, y is 9. Got to be. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, great. Another point we know 0, 0, right? That's the origin. Okay, that's where the x value is 0 and the y value is also 0. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, great. All right, so what we can do here is plug in either of these points into the answer choices, and the correct answer choice has to give us a true statement for both those points.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Great. Which point do you want to plug in? You choose.
9.
You want to plug in the 9 for y and the x for 6. Great. All right. So let's test answer choice A. Good. Love to use the parentheses there. Is that a true statement? Is 9 equals 6 minus 3?
No.
That's crazy. Answer choice A is gone. Easy. Plug them into answer choice B.
Again. No. It's gonna be just the same, I think. Actually.
Does 9 equal 6 plus 3? That is a true statement. So let's leave it. Let's plug it into answer choice C. I'll clear some space here. There. So we'll leave B.
Okay, so 9. What did I just do?
Good, Jackson. Remember we talked about turn into a fraction. Exactly, turn into a fraction.
So that's gonna be 2 times 6 is 12. Over 3.
Is that equal to 9?
No, that's not.
No, that's 4. So answer choice C is gone.
Okay.
And then I'll clear some space for you, and then you can plug that into answer choice D. Is this method making sense?
Yes, it is.
Great. Whenever they give you an ordered pair like that, those are values for x and y that give you a true statement when you plug them into the equation. Test them. Turn into a fraction. There you go, buddy. Love it, love it, love it. Love it. 9. So 9 does equal 9. So answer choice B and D are survivors. Okay, and again, this is why you got to cycle through the answer choices, man. Always cycle through. Do you see that? If you just stop at B, you're like, true statement done. No dice. You're going to get it wrong. You're going to get it wrong if you stop there. Does that make sense?
Yes.
All right. We got 2 answer choices that give us true statements. So always cycle through. All right. So let's plug in our next set of values, right? Let's plug in 0, 0.
All right. So we can start again with B.
We start with B. We don't have to worry about A or C. Exactly. Jackson, you are getting this, man. You are getting this.
Equals 0 plus.
Does 0 equal 0 plus 3?
No.
No dice. And choice B is gone. D is looking good, but let's confirm it.
All right. 0 equals 3 squared.
That's 3 over 2, right?
Yeah, that's what
Is that a true statement? Is that a true statement, Jackson?
No.
What's anything times 0?
0.
Anything times 0 is 0. So 3 over 2 times 0?
So that would cancel out.
Yeah.
Oh, so it is a true statement.
It is a true statement. It is a true statement. 0 is equal to 0. So we can confirm it is indeed answer choice B. Oops. Let me erase function. There we go. Does that make sense, Jackson?
Yes.
Okay. Don't forget that. Anything times 0 is 0. Remember that. Questions?
No.
Plug in values for the variables. Just do it. You will pass this test. All right, let's take a quick little 3-minute break. I have got to run to the restroom so bad.